everyone, Shay Slimes here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the perfect slime. You will be needing glue, something to mix with, a bowl to mix in, and a container to put your slime in. Some paint, this is optional, you can make your slime white if you would like. Lotion, this is also optional, but it's very recommended. I recommend this brand. Shaving cream, glitter, this is optional, and some sort of activator. I'm using borax solution. So here we go. So first you just want to add your glue in, doesn't matter what amount, just eyeball it. Then you want to add your lotion. I recommend adding a lot. So that's about enough. Then add just a teensy bit of shaving cream. That's about good. I recommend adding a little less though. Now just mix it up. Once your slime is rich and creamy, you can add your optional paint. That's about enough. Then you want to mix really well until all the white is gone. So I like this color, really nice, rich, and really light, pretty. So next you want to add your glitter. Of course you do not have to add glitter, but I'm just adding it for the fun of it because I want some pop in my slime. I want it to be a little bit different. So then mix thoroughly. Then just add your solution until the slime is formed. And make sure to not add a lot because the shaving cream will make it look like it's not formed, but it actually is. So put your hands in it, kids. So here's the final result. Sorry, I'm not super stretchy. It's also pretty buttery. My slime always turns out buttery.